Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in connectivity solutions. Today, we're tackling how to convert Ethernet to fiber in 2025. If you're tired of slow speeds and unreliable connections, upgrading to fiber optic is a smart move. It's faster, more secure, and perfect for high-demand setups like home offices or gaming rigs. Let's dive right in. First off, why make the switch? Ethernet uses copper cables, which can limit speed and distance, while fiber optic uses light for data transmission, offering gigabit speeds and immunity to electromagnetic interference. In 2025, with new standards like 400G Ethernet, this conversion is more accessible than ever. Step 1. Assess your current setup. Check your devices. Do you have Ethernet ports? Identify if you need a media converter or a full switch. You'll need items like a fiber media converter, fiber optic cables, and possibly SFP modules. Pro tip: ensure compatibility with 2025 protocols to avoid future headaches. Step 2. Gather your tools. Head to a reliable supplier for a quality media converter. Look for ones supporting multi-mode or single-mode fiber based on your distance needs. Don't forget terminators and testers for proper installation. Step 3. Install the converter. Power down your devices, connect the Ethernet cable to the converter's input, and link the fiber cable to the output. Mount it securely and ensure all connections are tight to prevent signal loss. Step 4. Configure and test. Access your network settings. Use the converter's interface to set IP addresses or VLANs if needed. Boot up and run speed tests. Aim for at least 10 gigabits per second transfers in 2025 setups. If you hit snags, check for firmware updates or consult online forums. And there you have it. Your Ethernet is now fiber ready. This upgrade can boost your network's performance dramatically. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.